So we're on to the last liquid lipstick, and she is called Summertime Fine. She is a hot pink. You hear me? Hot. Okay? Some people will be intimidated by this color, and some people will love this color. She comes with a dark purple lip liner, so you could do an ombre lip. Okay? Dark purple. So you want to line your lips real good, okay? See that dark purple? Mm-hmm. See, the key with lip liner is you want to do all the work with the lip liner and do less work with the liquid lipstick, because liquid lipsticks can get really, really messy, and we don't have time to be messing up, okay? So I like to shade in and shade in so I can ombre it. Okay, so you see how we have it shaded in? Now we're gonna go back with the liquid lipstick, okay? Now we're gonna do less work here, okay? Because we did all the work already. Now the good thing about this liquid lipstick is that it comes with a mirror and a light so you can see, okay? So that's what we're gonna use. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. And this is called Summertime Fine from Looks of Vanity. She is so pretty. And as you can see, I did all the work, so really I'm just applying it in the middle. Now, a lot of people are intimidated by this color, but I love a good bold lip, okay? So the good part is that when you do the dark lip liner for an ombre lip and you fill it all in and you just apply the pink in the middle, it creates its own blended ombre lip. Isn't she so cute? Love it. I forgot my earrings and my necklace and my jewelry at home, but the show must go on, darling. Because when you in the mood, you in the mood. Because I might have my jewelry tomorrow, but I might not be in the mood tomorrow. Okay, so gotta get it done regardless. So follow me on Instagram and shop at looksofvanity.com.